Hello and welcome everyone. Today in this video, we will be covering a very interesting topic that is OpenCV. So what is that? Basically, it is a Python library also available in C++ developed by Intel. So basically, it is for utilizing the computer's camera or images, and it's based on the computer vision library of artificial intelligence. So first, we will open the run application for the installation of this library, and in the run application, for opening the run application, we'll have to press Windows plus R, then we have to write cmd over here. Then this will open the command prompt. So the installation command for that would be pip install opencv -python. Okay, since it was already installed, it has not taken much time. Now I will be opening, ideally I will press Ctrl plus N to open a new file. And now let's write the code. So I will write import cv2 import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Make sure matplotlib is also installed in this computer. img is equal to cv2.imread. Now we will be looking for the image which we will be using in this. So here are some images. Let me choose any one randomly from these. Let's say img6. So I will be copying its name from here. And then I will write plt.im show img, then plt dot show. Now let us save this file. So you have to save this Python file in the same folder where the image is located. So I will be writing OpenCV demo. Okay. Now we have to press save, and I will press F5 to run this application. Okay, Indian flag. So you can see this is in BGR color scheme. That's why the colors are not looking accurate. Now to make them look accurate, we will have to write one more thing for that. So basically in this IM show region, you have to write cv2 dot c cvt color, color, then another bracket img comma cv2 dot color underscore bgr to RGB. Control plus S. Now I will be running this file, and now you can see the colors are looking perfect. You can see over here. Thank you for watching this video.